This is a Google Business post that is completely in Spanish, and I wrote this with just a click of a button, and I don't even speak Spanish. And I'm going to show you how you can do the same for your type of business, no matter what language it is that your target customers speak, so that you can get found when they are searching for your type of business. So whether you are in a tourist town and you want to attract people speaking French, or maybe you're just located in an area that has a lot of Spanish speakers, you're going to want to watch this video until the end to make sure that you can optimize your Google Business profile to bring them into your business. So what we're going to do first is head over to merchant.com/profile pro. And we're going to download a free Chrome extension that helps you optimize your Google Business profile and write business updates in whatever language you want. So what you're going to do is say install for free, and it'll bring you to the Chrome listing where you then add it to Chrome. Then log into your Google account where you manage your Google Business profile, and you'll see that once you install the Chrome extension, this button appears that says Optimize with Profile Pro. What you're going to do is click it and then fill out the information to say what kind of business it is and what you're trying to sell the most of, and then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now the next step is really important. Let's say that you want to focus on getting more Spanish-speaking people into your business. You'll click this gear icon here and then set the response language to be Spanish or any other language that you're trying to target, but we're going to say Spanish, and then say update. Now what we're going to do is write a Google Business update that uses Spanish. Just scroll down to where you can add an update on your profile, click add update, and then you'll see this little icon appears. This is the Profile Pro action icon that when you click will let you write an optimized post using a different language. So I'm just going to click it and I'm going to say skip, but if you wanted to post about a specific thing or a specific service that you offer, then you could put that in as the topic. I'm just going to say skip. And you can see that it generated a nice looking post using Spanish. And what I'm going to do is just copy this and then head over to Google Translate. And I just want to make sure that this looks good. I'm sure that it's perfect, but just to show you how SEO optimized it is, I'm going to prove it. So here you can see it's saying hello Glendale. That's the area they're located in. If you're looking for services from a reliable notary public to notarize your important documents here in Glendale, Arizona, I don't even need to read anymore. I can just tell you this is already optimized to have all the services that they offer so they can show up for all those search types, and also Glendale, Arizona, so that Google matches the two so that anyone looking in Glendale in Spanish for these services, Google now knows this business can offer that for them. So all that we would then have to do is click away, add an image for this post. And if you don't have an image, then you can just click this icon. And what I'm going to do is say a notary public notarizing a document. And this is actually going to use AI to create you a completely brand new custom image. It's not stock, so you can use for this update. So I'm going to say next. And you can see it created us a nice picture that represents this business. If you wanted to, you could add more information. So perhaps you would want to say a Latino looking man notarizing a document so that it fit more with that market that you are trying to target. What I'm going to do now is just download this and upload it here. And you can see that in just a couple of seconds, we were able to write a very SEO optimized Google Business update in a different language so that you can bring in more customers. If you found this cool, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any of our marketing videos. Thank you.